Thanks to appliances online, I could test that fantastic Hoover.
It's a cylinder vacuum cleaner. It's freestanding. Fantastic Bosh Pro Energy, very stylish, very compact. It's a backed model, which I prefer anyway, because it's much easier to empty. You don't have to stay at the bin and get all the dust on you. You just grab the bag, put it in the bin, and put a new one in. It's very easy to get to the bag. All you need to do is just press that little switch in here. And there you go. And there is our Hepa filter, which is perfect for allergy sufferers. Little switch wheel, which you can regulate, depends on what surface do you hover. On and off. For perfect set of accessories. Very easy to handle. Off you go. Get all the hairs. Upholstery brush. Easy grip handle, very lightweight.